Have you ever wondered why a staggering 99.3% of YouTubers never make it big? It's a harsh reality. But if you're one of the 18 to 30-year-olds in India dreaming of YouTube stardom, you deserve to know the truth. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the secrets that can transform you from the 99.3% to the elite 0.7%. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's dive in. YouTube, the land of opportunity, where anyone with a camera and a vision can become a star. But here's the catch. While millions dream, only a few succeed. What's stopping the rest? The road to success is filled with obstacles, but understanding them is the first step to overcoming them. Imagine spending countless hours crafting the perfect video, only to hear crickets. Frustrating, right? But that's the reality for most YouTubers. Have you ever felt that disappointment? Consistency is key on YouTube. Uploading sporadically or giving up too soon are surefire ways to fall into the 99.3% trap. The algorithm favors creators who show up regularly, and your audience grows to expect and look forward to your content. Missing uploads breaks that connection. How consistent are you? Be honest. Have you ever missed an upload just because you didn't feel like it? Reflect on that. Poorly shot, edited, or conceptualized videos won't cut it. Your viewers have millions of options. Why should they choose your content if it doesn't stand out? Invest time in learning the basics of video production, good lighting, clear audio, engaging editing. Quality shows commitment. But what about those channels that succeed with low-quality content? There's a catch, and we'll uncover it soon. YouTube's algorithm is like a puzzle, complex and ever-changing. Misunderstanding it can doom your channel. Keywords, thumbnails, and watch time all play a critical role. You need to make data-driven decisions to stay ahead. Ever wondered why some bizarrely irrelevant videos go viral? It's not magic, it's algorithm mastery. And you can learn it too. Branding is more than just a logo or catchphrase. It's about creating a consistent and recognizable identity. If your viewers can't instantly identify your content or style, they'll forget you. Establish a brand that reflects your personality and resonates with your audience. Feeling overwhelmed? It's okay. The journey is tough, but there's one final piece of advice that can be your game changer. Engagement is crucial. Reply to comments, create community posts, and make viewers feel like part of your journey. It's not just about broadcasting, it's about building a community. Your audience wants to feel seen and heard. Quick question, when was the last time you replied to a comment on your video? Interaction is key. The digital landscape is ever evolving. Stay updated with trends, learn from successful YouTubers, and be willing to pivot when necessary. Embrace changes, experiment with new formats, and never stop learning. Your growth depends on your adaptability. Are you ready to transform failure into your launching pad for success? The next chapter holds the secret. Success on YouTube requires resilience, patience, and a growth mindset. Failures will come, but they're stepping stones to your ultimate success. View each setback as a lesson, and never lose sight of your passion. Do you have the mindset of a champion? Believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. You now have the roadmap to steer clear of the 99.3% who fail. But your journey doesn't end here. Click on the end screen to watch our next video on how to create stunning thumbnails with AI, because a great video deserves a great thumbnail. Your YouTube success story is just beginning.